Hello there everyone, this is Hedafan about, and today in this video I would like to talk about the top 5 features of Android Lollipop that I have come to like. Android Lollipop, which is Android 5.0, has too many cool features and this is awesome. In fact, when you see the other Android systems and this Android system, you'll find that Google has completely added some new features into the Android Lollipop, and I'll give my 5 top features of Android Lollipop. And the first feature that I liked most about the Android Lollipop is the multi-user support. Now, when we see computers, we have all used computers. In computers, we set different accounts. That means either we want to use the guest account or admin account, so we set it. We set a password for the admin, we don't set the password for guest, so the guest can use whatever they want to use. But and if the computer is in use of two people, then both of those two people will have different passwords and different user accounts. So in this, and that case is now has been introduced to the Android Lollipop, which means that you could set two different users or three different users, whatever you want. How much you want to set, you can set. This was the coolest feature that computer had since the beginning. Not big I mean, by beginning does not mean that from the first computer. I mean, Windows XP had this feature, 7, Vista, and now Windows 8 also has this feature. So Android Lollipop is now going to have that feature. Now let us move to the second feature that I have come to like, and that is the application pinning. In this case, say you have a lot of apps installed and you give your phone to a lot of friends, and they can access anything they want on the phone, and anyhow you have to open the lock and have to use them. But in some cases they only need to use one app and they are asking for your phone for one app only, and in that case all you have to do is pin this application, and they will be able to use only one that application. That is, they will be able to use only that application, and the other applications will be all locked, and that one application which you have pinned stays on the desktop, and they can use only that application. The rest of the application will never be touched, so your private data will be private without going into the hands of your friends. Now another cool feature is the web view. This is the third coolest feature. In web view, what it actually happens is that the web pages open in the app itself, and it does not require an operating browser to open the web pages. Say when you are using an application like a game and you want to buy something, then they direct you to, or they want to show you something, then they direct you to their official websites or anything. This is done by many apps as well. So in that case you do not have to go to the browser to in order to open it. That will open in the application itself, so there is much bigger difference here. Now the fourth feature that I liked about the Android Lollipop is that an it has an added support for 64-bit operating system. Now this is big deal because now it means that your phone will behave as a computer, which means that the 64-bit operating system will have a 64-bit CPU, and combined that they will give a perfect working experience. Perfect speed will be obtained by that. And one more thing is that you will get a 4 GB of RAM from now on, since the 32-bit architecture has support only for 3 GBs. Now with the upgradation you can have 4 GB for RAM on the devices. So from now on you will see devices that will have 4 GB, 5 GB of RAM, since it has been updated, since it will now have the ability to have 64-bit processor in the devices, since the Lollipop supports the 64-bit processor. Now the fifth feature that I liked about is the notification screen. Now when you receive a message, then you have to go to unlock and then view the message. And this is something that you do not want to do, but you have to do because that is how the phone has been made, that is how the operating system is. But in this case, there is a notification screen for which you do not have to unlock the phone. All you have to do is view it from the top, then type whatever you want, and then you can send without unlocking the screen. So this is the one of the coolest feature also. So here are 5 coolest features of Android Lollipop, and I'll retake the name of the 5 coolest feature that I have liked one by one. One is multi-user support. The second is application pinning. The third is web view. The fourth is 64-bit support, and the fifth one is notification screen. So these are the top 5 features of Android Lollipop. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Put your 5 features of Android Lollipop in the comments down below. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.